Next question is, in each of the exercise 7 to 12, find the equation of the parabola that satisfy the given condition. अभी आपको कुछ given conditions क्या है? Like in question number 7, the focus of the parabola is 6, 0, and the equation of directrix is x equal to -6. x equal to -6. तो देखो फोकस 6, 0. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पैराबोला ड्रॉ करता हूँ, अगर मैं रफली एक पैराबोला की शेप बनाता हूँ, तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन जो आपका पैराबोला होगा, it will be rightward parabola. Its focus is 6, 0, and equation of directrix is x equal to -6. And we know that equation of rightward parabola is standard form of rightward parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax, right? So here a is equal to 6. Here a is equal to 6. Here a is equal to 6. So equation of parabola that is y square is equal to 4ax. So it will be equal to y square is equal to 4. In place of a, we will put 6 into x. So the required equation is y square is equal to 24x. Required equation is y square is equal to 24x. This is the solution of question number 7. Okay, बहुत सिंपल था. फोकस की वैल्यू आपको गिवन थी. फोकस आपका 6, 0 है. तो 6, 0 से आपको ये क्लियर हो गया कि जो आपका पैराबोला होगा वो क्या होगा? राइटवर्ड पैराबोला. वो क्या होगा आपका? राइटवर्ड पैराबोला. ओके, so let's go to the next question, that is question number 8. That is question number 8. Question number 8 is, according to question number 8, focus is 0, -3. 0, -3. It means जो आपका फोकस होगा, it will be on negative y-axis. It will be on negative y-axis 0, -3. जो हमारा पैराबोला होगा, it will be डाउनवर्ड पैराबोला. और इसकी जो इक्वेशन होती है, that is x square is equal to -4ay. X square is equal to -4ay, and here a is equal to, here a is equal to what? 3. A is equal to 3. Now required equation of parabola is, that is x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to -4ay. So it will be equal to x square is equal to -4. In place of a, we will put 3 into y. So the required answer is x square is equal to -12y. So this is the solution of question number 8. This is the solution of question number 8. Let's move to the next question. Next question is question number 9. Vertex 0, 0 and focus is 3, 0. Focus 3, 0 means what? Focus is on the x-axis, positive x-axis, that is 3, 0. It means the required parabola is rightward parabola. So here vertex 0, 0 and focus is 3 comma 0, which implies a is equal to 3, right? Now equation of parabola. Equation of parabola, which will be y square is equal to 4ax. That is y square is equal to 4 into 3 into x. That is y square is equal to 12x. And this is the required answer of this question. This is the required answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. That is question number 10. Question number 10 is vertex is 0, 0 and focus is -2, 0. -2, 0. So focus will lie on the negative x-axis. -2, 0. So the parabola will be leftward parabola. And its equation will be y square is equal to -4ax. So in case of question number 10, vertex 0, 0 and focus is -2, 0. It means what? It means value of a is 2. Value of a is 2. Now equation of parabola, that is y square is equal to -4ax. That means y square is equal to -4a. A means 2 into x. So the required equation is y square is equal to -8x. Y square is equal to -8x. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question is question number 11. Vertex is 0, 0, passing through 2, 3, and axis is along x-axis. Axis is along x-axis. So equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. Axis is along x-axis. That is y square is equal to 4ax. According to the question, it passes through 2, 3. It passes through 2, 3. It means this point will satisfy this equation of parabola. So in place of x, we will put 2. In place of y, we will put 3. So what we will have? 3 square is equal to 4a. In place of x, we will put 2. So that is 3 3s are 9 is equal to 8a. That means, and I think it's better अगर आप इसको directly जो है that 4a is equal to 9/2. Directly हम 4a की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. ठीक है, वो ज्यादा इजी हो जाएगा. Now equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. It is y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. In place of this 4a, we will put this value, that is 9/2. So y square is equal to 9/2x. That is 2y square is equal to 9x. That is 2y square is equal to 9x. And this is the required equation of parabola. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 11. Now let's proceed with our next question. That is question number 12. And the question is, vertex is 0, 0, parabola passing through 5, 2, and symmetry with respect to y-axis. Symmetry with respect to y-axis. It means equation of parabola. Equation of parabola, that is x square is equal to 4ay. It passes through a symmetry with respect to y-axis, that is x square is equal to 4ay. According to the question, it passes through 5, 2. It passes through 5, 2. That means in this point will satisfy this equation. So in place of x, we will put 5, and in place of y, we will put 2, which implies 5 square is equal to 4a. In place of y, that is 2. So can I say that 4a is equal to 25 by 2? 25 by 2. Therefore, required equation of parabola, that is x square is equal to 4ay. So x square is equal to, in place of 4a, we will put 25 by 2. 25 by 2 into y. So the required equation is 2x square is equal to 25. So this is the solution of question number 12. And we have completed this exercise.